In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best stand-up paddleboards in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which stand-up paddleboards is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, FunWater Stand-Up Paddleboards. User scenarios: FunWater paddleboards are your first choice when it comes to aquatic sports. FunWater inflatable paddleboards are suitable for people of all levels to relax, discover the water, or explore areas. Materials as well as parameters: the latest ultralight double-wall PVC weighs 35% less than comparable sizes, 18.5 pounds, with outstanding durability, wear resistance, and long service life. The standard size of inflatable paddleboards is 11 feet by 33 inches 6 and can carry 330 pounds. Design and use: FunWater's unique ergonomic handle design lets the user inflate their paddle faster and in a shorter amount of time. The barometer's sensitive sensor ensures you will be able to see the SUP inflation pressure of 12 to 15 psi at any time. The elastic string that is multifunctional will hold any object securely that is placed upon the inflatable board. The ultra-large and multi-purpose backpack will allow you to easily transport the paddle to all of your ideal locations. Here is the item number 4 of Sport Stand-Up Paddleboards. A large and lightweight SUP designed 3 sizes of stand-up paddling boards, 10 feet 6 inches long and 31 foot of deck width, provide more stability and balance when standing. Paddleboard's premium paddleboard is made of the finest military-grade material. We offer the most durable and lightweight board on the market. Premium material paddleboards are made from the finest quality military-grade material. Max load up to 280 pounds. This is the most durable and lightweight board available. Brushed thickening blow-up paddleboard with non-slip deck. Ideal for all levels of experience to reduce the risk of injuries or accidents in the event of a fall. Superior maneuverability: the 3 fins on the bottom of the panel help improve its overall speed. One large fin is easily removed and 2 fins are not removable and are fixed on the board. They allow for better steering and handling and are made easier for use by teens, kids, and adults too. The item number 3, FunWater Stand-Up Paddleboards. New ultralight construction, dual-layer PVC, 30% lighter than similar models. An inflated 10 feet 6 inches long and 33 inch wide and 6 thick, weighs 17.6 pounds. The maximum weight is 330 pounds, sturdy and suitable for all levels of skill and weather conditions. Ultra robust, constructed using a further PVC layer of rails for the board. They are extremely strengthened to increase the board's longevity. Safety and convenience: 33-foot width of the board and 3 fins with removable fins have achieved remarkable balance. Package comprised of board adjustable aluminum paddle high-pressure pumps, backpack for travel, waterproof bag, coil leash, and 3 fins with removable fins. Sitting on the ISUP, enjoying the water, and leaving your concerns behind to enjoy the new adventure that lies ahead. We've been involved in the ISUP industry for several years and are striving to produce top quality and high-performance products at reasonable costs. Our goal is to offer the finest SUP board experience to everyone who loves SUPs around all over the world. We have the best ISUP on the market at FunWater. Number 2 in our list, Aqua Plus Stand-Up Paddleboards. Ultra portable, it's just 1 foot wide in 36 inch. The size when inflated is 10 feet by 32 inches by 6 inches the thickness is. Weight 18 pounds, maximum capacity is 310 pounds. It is stable and ideal for all levels and weather conditions. Aqua Plus board can provide great glides for cruising, fishing, fitness, as well as exploring. Deck features: 5mm comfort diamond groove for grip. 11 PCS of 316 stainless steel D-rings and bungee on the front deck to store. Rigid design: it feels exactly like a board. The board is constructed of PVC, which is a military ultra-light stitch fabric. It is constructed with an additional PVC layer of rails for the board. These are strong enough to support the board. Complete package, board, a fully adjustable aluminum paddle that extends from 65 to 82 inches long, Journey ISUP travel backpack, strap for the shoulder, strap and coil leash, waterproof bag, removable fin double action pump. In the initial phase of inflation, double action is used, clip closed figure 1 when the pressure is at an amount that is higher using a single action, clip open, figure 2. The top one in our list, Roc Standup Paddleboards. The Roc's top inflatable paddleboard is made from top quality material for military use. We offer the most durable lightweight boards available with the same materials used in boards that cost more than twice the price. Each board comes with everything you require to immediately enjoy the water. Our wide-width design makes an outstanding all-around board suitable for riders of all levels. The kits are suitable for use in freshwater and ocean rivers and lakes. Our board has an industry-leading weight of just 17.5 pounds, which is 20% less than the competition. The dimensions of the board measure 10 foot, 33 inch wide, and 6 thick, with a maximum weight of 350 pounds. Pets love them too. More than 9,000 reviews and counting with a 5-star rating. Built with the latest technologies, our boards offer the perfect combination of flexibility and durability. Large enough to take you to the ocean yet compact enough to fit in a hatchback. Experience the unrivaled quality and ease with our inflatable boards. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best stand-up paddleboards amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.